So we're going to do some addition here, and as you can see, we've got multiple numbers to add. The biggest number being 75,692, and the smallest number being 9. Now there's a lot of different ways that we can do this. There really are tons of different ways, and they're all just as good as each other really. It's just the one that you prefer. The first way I'm going to show you is just do the column method, because really that is an effective way to add numbers in general. So we'll do that now. This is how I set it out. So 88 is the first number that I'm going to deal with. And you'll see that I spread the digits out for two reasons. One, to make my eventual working out a little easier. It's clear, and it makes it clear which number is in which place value, as you'll see. So when I come to write the next number, I start with the units digit and put it in the units place value, and I just work my way left through the number like this and write the digits like that. Again, spacing. 9 units, and this one here, 2, 9, 6, 5, and 7. Okay, so I just add these guys up, and the way I do it is to use the column method. So I add vertically, adding all the digits that are in the same place value. Okay, so let's go about doing that right now. So 8 and 3 is 11, plus 9 is 20, plus 2 is 22. So the units digit becomes part of the final answer. The digit that's in the tens gets carried over to the place value column to the immediate left of the one we've just been working in. So we have here 8 and 2, which is 10, plus 9 is 19, plus 7 is 26. So again, units digit becomes part of the final answer, and the digit that's in the tens place value gets carried over to the place value column to the left of the one we've just been working with. We've got 2 and 9, that's 11, plus 6 is 17. So again, units digit becomes part of the final answer. The digit in the tens column gets carried over to the place value column to the immediate left of the one we've been working in. 1 and 6 is 7, plus 5 is 12. So the same drill. The 2 goes here because it's in the ones column, and the 1, which is in the tens column, gets carried over. 7 and 1 is 8. So the answer of adding all of these addends together, so the sum becomes 82,762. So that is one, and it's kind of a very reliable written method to do it that way. You can be a bit more adventurous and try and chunk each of those addends up and see what you can come up with. Let's have a go at it right now. There are lots of ways to do the chunking. I'll have a go at one. I can see here that this one here is very, very close to 7,000. So what would happen if I made that 7,000? I need 27, right? I need 27. So I need effectively to try and do this. Okay, add 27, right? And what would that give me? That would give me 7,000. So where can I get that? I want to take the 27 from here. So 27 minus 27. So that would give me 61 here. Great. So that gives me 7,000. I've dealt with that. So I've now got 7,000. I've got 61 left. 61 plus this 9 gives me 70. Okay, so that's these three numbers taken care of. I'm still left with 70 out of dealing with these three numbers. And from here, really, I could decide to just do a column method from this point. So take 75,692 and add it to 7,000. So let's do that really quickly. So 2, 9, 6, 5, 7. So add all those digits up. So column method again. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 6 is 6. 7 plus 5 is 12. So the 2 there and the 1 gets carried, and that becomes that. And all I need to do now is add 70. So let's do that. Again, column method. 2, 9 and 7 is 16. Carry the 1. 7, 2, and 8. And again, I get the exact same answer as I got down here by breaking up all the addends in different ways.